Here we're asked to complete the tables to show that we understand geometric sequences. And really, what we're going to be looking for is like, what is the common ratio, or what are we multiplying by each time to get our future term? And so, in this case here, what we should notice is that our number is actually decreasing. And so, we're still multiplying, but we're multiplying by a fraction. So, some people might say, like, oh, I can see that it's dividing by 2. We would rather look at this every geometric sequence as multiplication. So I'd rather look at this as the fact that we're multiplying by 1/2. And so as we do that, it makes it a little bit easier because once we get to 1/2 here, instead of saying, okay, what is 1/2 divided by 2? Instead, we're really saying what's 1/2 times 1/2, which is a little bit easier of math for us to handle. Then 1/4 times 1/2, and we get 1/8 for our final term in the first table. The second one, I don't see immediately what our answer is going to be, so I'm going to use a calculator to kind of divide these two things and figure out, okay, hey, what is this being multiplied each time? And just remember, like when I'm doing this, I'm taking like my term 1 here, 24.2, and dividing 11 to see that my common ratio here is 2.2. So multiplying by 2.2, just to double check, I'll do 24.2 times 2.2, and I see that I get 53.24. So each time I'm going to be multiplying by 2.2, multiply by 2.2, and each time I'm going to keep going up. So I get in my third box 117.128. Then I'm going to start running out of room here, so bear with me. This is 257.6816. And then this term right here is 566 point, let's just round it to 9 here. It's 89952 if you're plugging in the whole thing. But that's how we're going to complete these geometric sequences, is just to look for the common ratio and multiply that to get more terms.